30 days ago, I started using Claude Cowork for everything. And I mean everything. News scanning, job searching, content research, file management, email automation. I wanted to see if this thing actually lives up to the hype or if it's just another AI wrapper with a nice UI. Here's my honest take. No sponsorship, no affiliate link. Anthropic has no idea who I am. I'm just a guy who uses AI tools every day and tells you what's actually good. The short version, Cowork is the most useful AI product I've ever used, and it still has problems that drive me crazy. Both of those things are true at the same time. Let me break it down. In this video, I will be going over my first 30 days using Cowork, including a normal day with the product, what works well, what sucks, what I ended up canceling because of it, who I think should actually pay for it, the content opportunity I think most people are missing, and my final verdict after a month of real use. By the end of this video, you should be able to decide whether Cowork is actually worth paying for, whether it fits the way you work, and whether it is something you should seriously consider using yourself. Let me walk you through a normal day. Before I wake up, 3 scheduled tasks have already run. My AI news scanner checked 10 company blogs and emailed me a summary of product launches. My job search scanned LinkedIn for new roles matching my criteria and pushed them to Notion. And my content researcher pulled trending YouTube topics. When I sit down at my desk, I open Cowork and check the results. It usually takes about 2 minutes. Then I'll give it tasks throughout the day. Read this PDF and summarize the key points. Draft a blog post on this topic in my writing voice. Organize my downloads folder. Check if there's anything new on the Anthropic blog. Some days I use it for 4 hours, some days it's 20 minutes. Number 1, scheduled tasks. Nothing else in the AI space does this. You tell Claude what to do, set a cron schedule, and it runs automatically. I've tried building this with Zapier, Make, N8N. They all require you to learn their workflow builder. Cowork lets you describe it in English. Number 2, plugin chaining. Connecting Notion, Gmail, and web research in a single prompt without any setup is absurd. I used to spend hours building Zapier automations that did half of what one Cowork prompt does. Number 3, file system access. Pointing Cowork at a folder and saying deal with this is something I didn't know I needed until I had it. Organizing files, generating summaries of documents, creating new files from templates. It just works. Number 4, computer use. It's janky sometimes, I'll be honest about that in a minute. But the fact that it can open Gmail and click send, or navigate to a specific Notion page and update it through the UI, that's genuinely new. No other AI product does this. Number 5, quality of Claude's thinking. This isn't really a Cowork thing, it's a Claude thing. But Opus 4.6 is the best AI model I've used for complex tasks. I'm not going to pretend this is perfect. It's not. Number 1, speed. Some tasks take way too long. I had a scheduled task that was supposed to take 5 minutes and it ran for 3 hours because it kept doing unnecessary web searches and Notion queries. I had to rewrite the prompt to be super explicit about staying fast. You shouldn't have to optimize your prompts for speed, but right now you do. Number 2, computer use is unreliable. About 70% of the time it works great. The other 30% it clicks the wrong thing, misreads a button, or gets confused by a pop-up. I wouldn't trust it for anything high stakes without watching it. It's useful for simple, repeatable actions like clicking send on a draft, but don't ask it to fill out a complex form. Number 3, context window limits. Long conversations hit a wall. If you're in the middle of a complex task and the context fills up, it tries to summarize and continue. But it loses detail, important details. I've had it forget half of what we were working on. The workaround is keeping tasks focused and short, but it's annoying. Number 4, no send capability in Gmail. This is a specific gripe, but it drives me nuts. The Gmail plugin can create drafts, but can't send them. So you have to use computer use to open the browser and click send. It works, but it's a clunky 2-step process that should be 1 step. I'm sure they'll fix this eventually, but right now, it's friction. Here's the real talk. Before Cowork, I was paying for an AI news aggregation tool. Canceled. Cowork does it better because I control the sources and the filter rules. A job board scraping service. Canceled. Cowork searches LinkedIn directly and scores results the way I want. Zapier Pro for workflow automation, downgraded to free tier. I barely use it anymore because Cowork handles the automations I actually care about. A content research tool, canceled. Cowork pulls YouTube autocomplete data and does supply gap analysis. Conservative estimate, I'm saving about $80 a month. Claude Pro costs $20, net savings, $60 a month. And I'm getting better results because everything is customized exactly the way I want it. Pay for Claude Pro with Cowork. If you do knowledge work every day, if you manage information, write content, do research, handle email, organize projects, if your job is basically processing information and producing output, Cowork is worth it 5 times over. Also pay for it if you're a solo operator or small business owner wearing multiple hats. Cowork is like hiring a junior assistant for $20 a month. Don't pay for it if you just want to chat with AI occasionally. Get the free tier of Claude or use ChatGPT. Cowork is overkill for casual use. Don't pay for it if you need real-time collaboration with a team. Cowork is single player right now. There's no shared workspace, no team features, and don't pay for it expecting perfection. You'll need to iterate iterate on your prompts, troubleshoot scheduled tasks, and babysit computer use sometimes. If that sounds exhausting, wait 6 months. I want to be transparent about something. I started making content about Cowork because I genuinely use it. Not because it was a content strategy, but it turned into one. My Claude Cowork shorts consistently get 3 to 5 times more views than my other AI content. One video got me 12 subscribers in a single day. For a channel my size, that's unheard of. The reason is simple. Cowork is new. People are searching for it. There aren't many creators covering it yet, especially in shorts format. So YouTube is surfacing my content to people who are actively looking for it. I'm telling you this because the same opportunity exists for you. If you use a tool, make content about it. The best content comes from people who actually use the thing every day, not people who read the press release and made a video about it. After 30 days, Claude Cowork is my most used app. Not my most used AI tool. My most used app, period. It's not perfect. Speed issues are real, computer use needs work, the context window limit can be frustrating, but nothing else combines this level of reasoning with this level of execution. ChatGPT desktop can't do tasks, Gemini can't access your files, nothing else has scheduled tasks, plugins, computer use, and dispatch all in one product. If you're on the fence, try it for 1 week. Set up one scheduled task, connect one plugin, give it one real job. You'll know within 3 days if this is for you. I'm going to keep covering Cowork every single day on this channel. Shorts, tutorials, tips, real workflows. If that's useful to you, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.